Hello friends, welcome back. Let us review the AMD analysis we did using our toolset. So at this time we had projected the AMD to be behaving certain way, and certain targets were posted, minimum targets and little bit higher extended targets. So we will discuss that today, what's going on. So let's play this clip quickly. Hello, welcome back, and this is the chart analysis for larger swings for AMD. The projected levels on the top side, targets are 106, 111, and there are more targets on the top as well, 130, 140. Now you will not reach these targets overnight. They are swing targets. You can see when the earnings are about to happen, they take the extreme high and low, and then they just put the market in balance, and this is what we do. We are in balance right now, and it will panic in one side or the left side. This is where the edges will be when you reach these market maker levels. And on the bottom side, we're looking at 74, 71 right now. I'm using Tesla vibration models here, and along with the market maker models. We always use market maker models because they drive the market. Alright, so that was suggested. Now let's go and check. We mentioned, well, I think the market was here. It's gonna go down here, or it's gonna hit here on the other targets. Okay. So here it is. It went here a little bit, enjoyed few days. So we wanted to show you how we actually did this squaring and how we got these levels. So we have a lot of automated tools here, and as I mentioned in the video, we are using Tesla support and resistance vibration. At this point in April, we had this high and we had this low. This is a daily chart. If I click on these two, click and click to hotspot, the tool shows up. So you can see here, this is taking this high and this low range. We are able to see where the market is going to be squaring. So it was squaring on the low side. This is where I projected this, and then the other analysis we are doing on the trend lines also came up here. So we projected this is, it came to 80. We were waiting for it to come to 70, but it did not. It's okay. Then the other part of this small pivot high to low, at this point in April, this was the high and market was here somewhere, right? So we took the high and low pivot. Each pivot like these will project the square. So all we need is one click here, one click there, and we just click on the highs and lows, and it is fully automatically displayed to us. Anyway, so this magenta boxes are squaring this range using Tesla model of 369 energy. So it is projected to end here, projected to end here and here. So this is where it went, and it was stuck here for almost a week, and then they blew to the second square because earning was really great. They try to just fool you to go down first, and then this is part of market maker accumulation. But anyways, so it went directly to 130, which we stated is a second target, and it won't happen right away overnight. So after the earning, we took it down, and then took them quite a month, almost took a month and a half, I think almost a month to get here, and it is rolling back from there. So we know all these very advanced squaring techniques with complete automation. All we have to do is visually look at highs and lows and clicks, and we are good to go. So that is how using this small area on a daily chart we are squaring the price. Second part is these trend lines. So we are doing some mathematics on market maker models where we use these trend line highs and lows and we project these lines. So these lines, these cyan and yellow lines, cyan lines are coming from there. So these are doing some mathematical calculation, vibration and half a circle calculations to project where the market is going. So it also lined up here and here. So that is that tool, trend line projections, using the circle, half a circle mathematics. All right, the third one, you see this lines we had, they come from the vortex. Let me demonstrate that tool as well. This is it, 369 vortex price targets. So once I drop this tool, I get a hotspot, okay, and as I move this tool from highs and lows, if I put it on this high, it projected this yellow line exactly the low. So we have done extensive automation behind the sciences which are not readily understood or visible to the naked eye. So there are smaller vibration, you can see here. It was coming up to this point and this was coinciding with this point, so this is where I just said this is where we are going, the range. All right, so putting this low, you can see, getting to this low, it projected where it is going, right there, yellow line. All right, and then based on that we have now confluence of events coming in. We have this trend line projections coming here, we have this squaring of Tesla coming here, we have trend line projections means half a circle reflection of trend lines. That is the precise description. The 2 points giving us the squaring of the charts, and then we have this 369 where we just pick the highs and lows and move the tool, it will project for you. And this is all I do behind the scenes because we have close to 99 patent models we have spent decades building, right? But now we have come to the point where we can simply click and then the whole analysis, you become the world-class analyst overnight. This is, I wanted to demonstrate that what is going on when these levels are printed and why they work very nicely. And this is the first square, we can't say much. We can't say much which square will be held, because if the supply and demand is strong, that's why I give you 2 levels, multiple levels, especially with this techniques there. Remember, we are using 3 lines, we are projecting 3 vibrations. Here we are using 2 recent high low pivots, since it was the high when we made the projections. If it was low, we are done using the same thing on the low side. Now we have multiple squaring out. This was the minimum target and this was the second target, but this is how it is. This is where we are. So I think I would say this was a success forecast, and then we'll continue from there.